How to get plenty of protein as a vegan. Vegans eschew all animal products, a main source of protein, but it's still possible to get the USDA recommended amount with these tasty alternatives. You will need beans and lentils, veggie burgers, hot dogs and sausages, bulgur wheat, seitan, tempeh, quinoa, tofu, soy milk, soy cheese and soy yogurt, nuts and nut butters, and high-protein vegetables. Optional, hummus. Never change your diet without first consulting your physician. Step 1. Add cooked beans, such as kidney, lima, or navy, or lentils in place of meat in soups, stews, casseroles, and chili. You can also make bean burgers and lentil burgers for a hearty meal. Hummus, made with chickpeas and tahini, is a delicious high-protein spread. Step 2. Try soy and grain-based protein products like veggie burgers, veggie hot dogs, and veggie sausages. Step 3. Incorporate other meat substitutes into your diet, including bulgur wheat, seitan, a wheat gluten, tempeh, which is cultured soybeans, quinoa, and tofu. Step 4. Substitute dairy in recipes with soy milk, soy cheese, and soy yogurt. You can make delicious dishes like vegetable lasagna and veggie pizza with soy cheese. Step 5. Go nuts! Eating nuts and delicious nut butters daily is a great source of protein for vegans. Step 6. Remember that most vegetables contain some protein, and often a great deal. Some that are particularly high in protein include artichokes, beets, broccoli, peas, potatoes, and spinach. Did you know? 9 of the essential common amino acids humans require are made in the body. The other 9 come from protein in our diet.